Welcome. Your boy Barry McQueen. We talking all things marketing, social media management, real estate, and more. In today's episode, I'm gonna talk about 5 businesses you can start with less than $500. Stay tuned. So business number 5 is social media management. You probably need way less than $500 to start this, but while I say you can do this for $500, you don't need a lot of money to start a social media agency, right? All you're gonna be doing is businesses that are too busy, they don't have time to be on social media. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna access their accounts and you're gonna post content for them, whether it's a food truck, whether it's a restaurant, whether it's a clothing boutique. You're just gonna run this company's social media management. So all you probably really need to get started is to have yourself your own social media page and have yourself a website. So when it comes to like spending this $500, you may be able to do this less than $200, but I'm putting $500 because you wanna definitely do your website. You wanna be actually on social media, and then maybe you might want to do not just the website aspect of it, but you might want to do some marketing and some promo to let people know that you own a social media agency. That's number 5. Number 4, a marketing company. Marketing, every small business, big business, little business, medium business, every business is always going to need marketing. They're going to need somebody to get the word out that they have a service or that they have a product. So this is a very low startup, but you have to do a little bit of your due diligence on offering your marketing services, right? So you find small business clients that need marketing. They need customers. So you can help them get more customers. You can do this through Facebook ads. You can do this through Google ads. You can do this through Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, all of these different avenues. You can capture leads for people and you can help them with their marketing. You can help them with their SEO, which is their search engine optimization. You can help them with their keywords. You can do backlinking and help them with articles and blogs and posts, things that's going to help them rank well on Google. And you can do that as a marketing company. You as the marketer, learn about it on YouTube. You can learn how to run ads on YouTube. You can learn how to run Google ads on YouTube. YouTube University is your friend. Trust me. I think even when I started my marketing agency, I got a Google Analytics certification just to understand Google Analytics. And there's so many free trainings out there to help you get your feet wet in marketing. And you can do this definitely for under $500. I'm a testament of it. I started my marketing company with less than $500. Trust me. I think maybe most of the money was just registering the business, right? So you had to get your LLC, you had to get your EIN, and a lot of that stuff was free. I think registering was maybe $100 here in the state of Florida. But you can start a marketing agency for less than $500 if you know what you're doing. You know business owners, go to your local laundromat. Start with the businesses that's in within a 5 to 10 mile radius of where you live. The dry cleaners, the laundromats, the restaurants, the hair salons, the barbershop. All of these businesses need marketing. You can offer marketing services to them. Trust me, it's money to be made. My 3rd tip is a notary business. I don't know if people don't know about this, if this is something that's just been under the radar, but I personally, I own a courier company, but we offer notary services, mobile notary services. This could just be something simple as you notarizing I-9. Well, you can't notarize an I-9 form, but you verifying I-9 forms for employment verification. You're doing notice of commencements and permit applications for contractors. And then you can sign up with the NNA, and then you can start doing loan signing. That's where big money is, in the loan signing agent space of being a notary. You know, you can do general notary work and you can do weddings and you can do all of these applications, but everybody needs a notary, right? So most people have to go to their bank or they go to UPS and pay UPS. You can offer this service mobile. You can go right to the customer. And the fact that you're a travel and a mobile notary, you can add a travel fee on top of whatever the minimum your state offers. You know, check out the laws for what you can charge for notary, but when you're a mobile notary, you can add travel fees and travel expenses to the cost of actual notary work. So a notary business is my third tip. It's very low startup. I think if you want to be a notary, you probably just got to register, you get you a business going, and you can become a public notary just doing general notary work. But the real money is in loan signings, signing mortgages, HELOC loans, reverse mortgages, all of those things. And you can sign up with the NNA to become a certified loan signing agent. That's number 3. Number 2, you can be a local delivery service. This is very low startup cost, especially if you already have a car. This is stuff you can do using your car already, right? The reason I'm giving you these things is because I've done all of these things and I've made great money doing them all, right? So I started a local delivery service called Courier Correct. Our first contract, we started doing pharmacy deliveries for pharmacies. But as a local delivery company, you can do whatever. You can deliver paper to offices. One time all we had to do was deliver water pallets to a business every week, and they paid really great money. So that was a good contract that we got. Flower shops, even if you go to local restaurants who don't like paying the high fees of a DoorDash or an UberEats or a Grubhub, it's a lot of high fees associated with being on these applications. So a lot of restaurants aren't on some of these platforms. So you, as a local delivery, you can offer that service to a company. One of our big clients where we started offering delivery to was the liquor store, right? We set up local delivery for the neighborhood liquor store, for the flower shop, for the cake shop. We work with a lot of attorneys that need to deliver papers, very important time-sensitive documents, same day. So you can start a local delivery service business. That's number 2. And number 1 on my list is photography. There is so much money to be made in photography. I own a real estate photography company, Real Estate Captured. People know my Frame by Da Vinci company, where we did a lot of high fashion. But there's so much money to be made in photography. Everybody needs content now. So whether you're a photographer, videographer, there's so much money to be made right now for businesses in the content creation field. So you definitely can make a lot of money as a photographer. We jumped into the real estate game. So we do real estate photography and videography and 3D tours and all of these things. But when I started in photography, I used the entry-level camera. I was using a T6i from Canon, and I made a lot of money with that camera before I even upgraded to any new equipment. So you can do this, man. If you're passionate about photography, it's a lot of money to be made in photography. You could do weddings, you could do barbecues, baptisms, quinceañeras. You can just do events if you wanted to. You could do corporate events. We started doing some stuff for some hotels and some resorts and things like that, creating content. You can work for your biggest brands out there. Start doing some test stuff for Nike and Adidas, and we've done H&M, and we've done Ciroc, and we've done Levi's. There's so much money to be made in the photography space because nobody can do proper marketing and effective quality marketing without great images and great video. And it's a reason Instagram and Facebook and all of these things are so big, because it's all around content creation. So those are my 5 tips of businesses you can start. And I'm telling you why these tips are so good is because I've done every last one of them. I'm your boy Baron McQueen. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.